A new telescope built to track fast-moving space objects in Chile has caught a comet from beyond the solar system moving across the sky. The Rubin Observatory captured the rare footage of the comet known as 31 Atlas.
It's a cosmic crime scene. In the vastness of space, something has just shattered. The victim, 3I Atlas, a rare interstellar object. The evidence, a trail of debris on a collision course with our corner of the solar system.
The peculiar thing about it is that it's moving along a trajectory that is very special.
Investigators, our top astronomers, are racing against time to understand what happened. To put it mildly, this was no ordinary comet. It was behaving strangely long before its demise, and the way it broke apart has left everyone scratching their heads. The real mystery isn't just that it shattered, but why? And the answer has chilling implications for us. A cosmic ghost story. In the grand, silent theater of space, a drama of cosmic proportions has just reached its climax. An object known as 3I Atlas, a traveler from the unfathomable distances between the stars, has met a sudden and violent end. It hasn't just fizzled out. It has shattered, breaking into multiple pieces that are now continuing its journey through our solar system. To put it mildly, this is a big deal. For years, we've looked to the stars and wondered, are we alone? Well, a piece of another star system came to visit us, and it promptly fell apart. This isn't the kind of thing that happens every day. In fact, it's only the third interstellar object we've ever confirmed. The first was Oumuamua, that bizarre cigar-shaped object that tumbled through our solar system back in 2017, leaving a trail of questions in its wake. The second was Borisov, which looked and acted more like a traditional comet. But Atlas was different. What many overlooked in the initial excitement of its discovery was its strange behavior. Discovered by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, that's ATLAS for short, this object was initially flagged as a comet because it had a fuzzy glow, a coma, just like a comet should. But this coma was active when it was still incredibly far from the Sun, way out past the orbit of Jupiter. At that distance, the Sun's warmth is feeble, not nearly strong enough to turn the ice on a typical comet into the gas and dust that forms a coma. This was our first clue that 3I Atlas was playing by a different set of rules. It was as if it had its own internal engine, heating it from the inside out. This is a massive wow factor. It's like finding a car with its engine running in the middle of a desert, with no driver in sight. The energy had to be coming from somewhere, and the Sun was just too far away to be the culprit. Scientists were buzzing with theories. Some suggested it was made of incredibly volatile ices, like frozen nitrogen or carbon monoxide, that could turn to gas at much lower temperatures than water ice. This would explain the early activity. But even then, the numbers didn't quite add up. The thing nobody tells you is just how much energy is required to create a coma the size of the one Atlas had. We're talking about a cloud of gas and dust that was measured at over 430,000 miles across. That's more than half the diameter of the Sun itself. It was a behemoth, a ghost in the machine of our solar system, and it was getting brighter and more active with each passing day as it raced inward. Then, just as it was getting ready for its close-up, its perihelion, or closest approach to the Sun, the unthinkable happened. It disintegrated. It didn't just break into 2 or 3 pieces. It shattered into a cloud of smaller fragments. The Hubble Space Telescope was watching, and it captured the whole thing. The images are haunting. You can see distinct chunks of the former object, each one now a tiny comet in its own right, continuing along the same deadly path. The messenger had been silenced before it could deliver its message. The question that is now on everyone's mind is a chilling one. What could have caused a body of this size, a visitor from another star, to simply fall apart? Was it the gentle but persistent pull of the Sun's gravity? Or was it something else, something we haven't accounted for? But not all things are what they seem. The breakup itself is a mystery. Comets are often described as dirty snowballs, fragile collections of ice and rock. They break apart all the time. But interstellar comets, having survived a journey of millions of years through the harsh environment of deep space, are thought to be tougher, more resilient. For Atlas to fall apart so spectacularly suggests that it was either incredibly fragile or it experienced some kind of internal catastrophic event. Some have even whispered the idea that it wasn't a comet at all, but something else entirely. An alien probe, perhaps, that self-destructed upon entering our system? While that remains pure speculation, the fact that we can't rule it out entirely speaks to just how bizarre this object's behavior was. The debris from this cosmic collision is now spread out along the comet's original orbit. And here's the kicker. Earth is going to pass right through that orbit. We're not talking about a direct hit from a large fragment, which would be apocalyptic. The danger here is more subtle, but potentially just as profound. In 2026, our planet will fly through the trail of dust and gas left behind by this shattered interstellar visitor. We have no idea what this material is made of. It could be harmless space dust, or it could be something much more exotic. A substance that could have unforeseen effects on our atmosphere or our technology. We are, in effect, about to fly through the ghost of an alien world. And as we'll see, that's not even the most immediate threat this event poses. What if the shattered comet is just a distraction from a much larger cosmic event? When giants collide, many people are crazy about the idea of getting hit by a piece of a comet. It's dramatic, it's cinematic. But the thing nobody tells you is that the most immediate danger from the death of 3I Atlas has nothing to do with its physical debris. It has to do with its ghost. You see, comets are not just chunks of rock and ice. They are electrically active bodies. As they get closer to the sun, they interact with the solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles flowing out from our star. This interaction creates a complex electromagnetic environment around the comet, a sort of invisible crackling aura. What many overlooked is that this electrical connection can have a direct impact on the sun itself. Think of it like this. The sun and the comet are two ends of a giant electrical circuit, connected by magnetic field lines. The comet, with its vast, dusty plasma tail, acts like a giant capacitor in this circuit, storing and then releasing electrical energy. The closer it gets, the stronger the connection becomes. Now, imagine what happens when you introduce a comet with an unknown, exotic composition, an interstellar comet, into this delicate system. The result is unpredictable. The wow factor here is the sheer scale of this interaction. We're talking about an object hundreds of thousands of miles wide, creating a direct electrical link with a star that is 930 million miles away. It's a cosmic power surge waiting to happen. And that's exactly what some scientists are worried about. The debris of 3I Atlas is due to reach its closest point to the Sun, its perihelion, on October 29th. But even before that, on October 21st, it will be in a position known as a superior conjunction. This means that from our perspective here on Earth, the comet's remains will be on the exact opposite side of the Sun. Earth, the Sun, and the Atlas debris will form a straight line. This alignment is a huge red flag for solar physicists. The complex, dusty plasma from the shattered comet could act as a catalyst, triggering a powerful solar event, like a major solar flare, or a coronal mass ejection, CME. A CME is a massive eruption of solar material and magnetic fields from the Sun's corona. If one of these is aimed at Earth, it can have devastating consequences. To put it mildly, the timing could not be worse. We are currently in a period of solar maximum, the peak of the Sun's 11-year cycle of activity. The Sun is already in a foul mood, spitting out flares and CMEs on a regular basis. The arrival of the Atlas debris could be like pouring gasoline on a fire. We could see an enhancement of solar activity, a surge in the power and frequency of these solar storms. And what happens if a powerful, Atlas-enhanced CME hits the Earth? The results are not pretty. These storms can fry our satellites, disrupt our communication systems, and even take down our power grids. In 1859, a massive solar storm known as the Carrington Event hit the Earth. It was so powerful that it set telegraph offices on fire and created auroras that were visible as far south as the Caribbean. If an event of that magnitude were to happen today, in our technologically dependent world, the damage would be in the trillions of dollars. It would be a global catastrophe. The thing is, we're flying blind here. Because Atlas is an interstellar object, we have no idea what it's made of. Its unique composition could lead to an even stronger electrical interaction with the Sun than we would expect from a normal comet. Its dusty plasma might be more conductive, its magnetic field more complex. We are entering uncharted territory. The ghost of 3I Atlas is about to come face to face with a raging star, and we are caught in the crossfire. But not all things are what they seem. While our eyes are fixed on the Sun, another, more tangible threat from this event is quietly making its way toward us. The physical debris, the shattered bones of the messenger, are still out there. And the path they're on is more concerning than you might think. Earth's cosmic encounter. So, while one part of the threat from 3I Atlas involves a potential solar outburst, the other part is much more direct. It's the debris itself. When Atlas shattered, it didn't just vanish. It became a swarm, a cloud of smaller objects, all traveling along the same path. Think of it as a cosmic shotgun blast, with Earth in the crosshairs. Now, the chances of a large, dinosaur extinction-level piece hitting us are incredibly small. But that's not the real concern. The thing nobody tells you is that it's not the big pieces we need to worry about in this scenario. It's the small stuff. The dust. In 2026, Earth's orbit will intersect with the debris trail of 3I Atlas. We will fly right through the cloud of material left behind by the disintegrated comet. For a few days, or even weeks, our planet will be pelted by interstellar dust. On the surface, this might sound harmless, even beautiful. It could create spectacular meteor showers, lighting up our night skies with shooting stars from another solar system. Many people are crazy about the idea of witnessing such a unique celestial light show. But what if this dust is not so benign? This is the wow factor that has some scientists holding their breath. The dust from a regular comet is one thing, but this is dust from an interstellar object. Its composition is a complete unknown. You see, the dust and gas in our solar system have had 4.5 billion years to mix and mingle. They're all part of the same family. But the dust from Atlas comes from a completely different stellar neighborhood. It could contain elements or isotopes that are rare or non-existent in our system. What happens when this exotic material enters our upper atmosphere? Could it trigger unknown chemical reactions? Could it affect the ozone layer? Could it even seed our atmosphere with microscopic life forms from another world? A theory known as panspermia? While that last one is a long shot, it's a possibility that can't be entirely dismissed. We are about to conduct a planetary-scale experiment, and we have no idea what the outcome will be. To put it mildly, the potential consequences are wide-ranging. The dust could be abrasive, posing a threat to the thousands of satellites we have in orbit. A high-speed impact with a grain of sand might not sound like much, but when you're traveling at 17,000 miles per hour, it can be catastrophic. A cloud of interstellar dust could act like a cosmic sandblaster, damaging or destroying critical infrastructure that we rely on for everything from GPS navigation to financial transactions. We could be facing a technological blackout, all because of a little bit of dust from a galaxy far, far away. But not all things are what they seem. There's another layer to this mystery. What if the breakup of 3I Atlas wasn't an accident? What if it was by design? Some have speculated that the object could have been a kind of interstellar dandelion, designed to break apart upon entering a solar system and seed it with the building blocks of life. It's a fascinating, if highly speculative idea, but it highlights the central mystery of this event. We are dealing with a complete unknown. The people watching this are looking for answers, but the truth is, we have more questions than ever. Are we missing a key detail? Is it possible that all of this is unfolding exactly as it was meant to? The saga of 3I Atlas is a story with no clear ending, a cosmic mystery that challenges our understanding of the universe. What do you think? Are we on the verge of a solar catastrophe, or is this just another celestial light show? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay on top of the latest cosmic drama, be sure to like and subscribe.